Welcome back to my channel. This is a 15-minute walk-at-home workout designed to help you lose weight, engage your lower abdominal muscles, and burn calories. We'll do a quick warm-up followed by 2 rounds of exercise, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest, and we'll follow up with a little cool down. So let's get right into it. We're going to start with this warm-up. I'd love for you to start just by walking in place here. March it out. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I am a registered nurse, a yoga instructor, and a passionate women's health advocate. I create videos like this here online to support you in your wellness journey. So I'm so glad to have you along here, and you're gonna make it happen. So we start with these 4 basic moves. You're doing the first one right here. And we're gonna come back to this one anytime you get hung up on a move or you need a little break. Please be sure to have water for hydration. Drink lots of water after this workout as well. Nice job. So our next warm-up move, I'm gonna turn to the side here, and we're gonna bring the knees up, lift the arms overhead as the knees come up. So working to engage the core right here. You might feel it already. The core is turned on as the knee comes up. Really great job. Keep breathing along the way here. You know, in our yoga practice, whether you practice yoga or not, we do use the breath as a powerful tool to help us move and engage in a unique way. So here we are, 3, 2, 1, walk it out. Always coming back to home base if you need to. Keep breathing in and breathing out. So good. We're gonna take a side step next, so it's just gonna be step out and back in, just side to side here. Use the space you have. You can see I'm in a new space today. This is my new office and I like it, but still kind of getting used to things here. Having a great time doing these videos, and I love connecting with folks all over the world. It's been such a pleasure to get to know my viewers. If you'd like to leave a comment and let me know where you're working out from, what your favorite exercise is today, please do so. I'd love to hear from you. For 3, 2, and 1, go back to walk in place. Nice job. And I want to let you in on a little secret. So I created a 4-week health and fitness tracker for my students that I work with online. And I'd love to share it with you. It's totally free. You can get it on my website, emilydaugherty.com. It's going to help you track your fitness and your health markers as you move through your wellness journey. So it's a great little tool to have. And I'd love for you to grab it over on my website. After this video, don't leave yet. Keep going, guys. All right, next move, give me some kicks here. Just kick and kick. Legs can go as high as you want. Maybe reach opposite fingers towards opposite toes. Find that little connection between the brain and the body here. So we love to challenge our balance and our coordination whenever we work out. Whew. So good for you. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Blow out that air. Take that talk test. So maybe say a 5 to 6 word sentence. And if you cannot say the whole sentence without getting too winded, you might be going too hard. So back out a little bit. It's a great little tool to gauge, the intensity of this workout. I want you to stay till the end. So 15 minutes, it's not that long. I know you can do this. But just take care of yourself along the way, right? Give yourself grace to stumble a little bit, or take a little breather, grab some water anytime you need to. Take your feet kind of wide here, so widen your stance. Nice, and then give me a kick back. We're just gonna kick one heel towards the back and then the other. Nice, side to side here. Keep breathing. Have some fun. This is one of my favorite moves that we do. Little kick back. 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Blow out that air. Take your talk test if you need to. Nice. We're gonna come up on our first move. So it is going to be a standing oblique crunch. I'm gonna show it to you, and then I'd love for you to join me next. Nice job. So from here, wide stance, we're gonna turn the left toes out or either toes out, so you can see my knee is kind of bent here, and then fingertips up towards the ears. We're gonna find a oblique crunch, so bring that knee up towards the elbow and the elbow towards the knee. So you're gonna feel that right here on the side ribs. Really finding that deep engagement of the core. We're gonna work all around the core today. So the 360 core. Nice job. About 15 more seconds. Keep going. You got this. Maybe you have a chair for balance if your balance is a little offset today. 3, 2, 1. Walk in place, 15 seconds. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice job. Let's start to set up for that other side. So we're gonna do that exercise on the other side. Press into the left foot, fingertips up towards the ears. Turn that right toe out. So the right knee turns out, and then give me that crunch. Crunch, yeah. Drive that knee up towards the elbow. Bring that elbow towards the knee. You got this. Nice job. I'm really proud of you. You said yes to your self-care. You said yes to your fitness today. And boy, this one's a doozy. And I'm so proud of you for being here, showing up, and making it happen, right? Go for it, guys. Whew. Keep going. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Yeah. Big high fives. Awesome job. That one's a challenge. You're up for it today. Keep going, guys. Nice. Our next move is a standing crunch. So bring the fingertips up towards the ears. Feet are going to come wide. And then from here, we're going to find a little twist. Bring the elbow towards the knee and other side. Nice job. Find that balance. Find that little coordination here. Not so much about reps so much today, right? We're not really working on mileage like we do in other videos, but we're really working on engaging that deep abdominal core muscles and protecting the low back. Anytime I talk about the core, we cannot neglect the back. Of course, our whole body is one big, beautiful puzzle, right? So we're thinking of the 360 core when we work the core. Nice. Walk it out. Maybe take some shoulder rolls. While you're here, loosen things up. Reverse, get a couple in here. Nice job. Sweet. All right, take your feet wide. We're gonna send the arms up towards one corner of the room, and then we're gonna drive the knee towards those hands. So pull in, pull in. Yeah, and stay on that side. Really great for the whole core. Boom, boom. Hit your target every time. Nice job, so proud of you. I really want you to be sweating here. You got it. Whew. Together, we've got this. Right, you're backed by a whole group of walkers around the world that celebrate our bodies every day, move our bodies joyfully like this every day, and just find the beauty in active aging, right? Whew. Walk in place, shake it all out, maybe crunch the shoulders, whatever you need. Nice job. Yeah, I really do love to focus on holistic health, so our body as a whole, and actively aging well. Take the feet wide, other side, send the hands up towards the opposite corner of your room, and we're gonna pull those elbows down. You might interlace the hands here. Big twist for that torso. Nice job. I do have an online community that is so robust. I have folks in there from all over the world, women who love to connect here and, just focus on their fitness. We focus on stress management and also nutrition. And that's called Emily's Wellness Academy. I'd love for you to check it out. It's listed on my website, emilydaugherty.com. Great job, guys. And 1. Nice, walk in place. Whew. Good news, we just have to do that one more time. You got it. Oh, really proud of you. So our next round, we're gonna do those standing oblique crunches again. Let's start on the left side, just for continuity, okay? So we're gonna turn those left toes out, left knee bends, and then let's see. Let's get the elbows up towards the temples, pull up. Ooh, yeah. So big crunch here. Let me know what you think about this video. So oftentimes we don't go as intense in these workouts, but I think it's good to challenge ourselves, right? Challenge equals growth. And that's what we're here for. We don't want to be stagnant. We don't want to be stuck. We want to challenge our body and our brain and be mindful along the way. So that's what you're here for. Whew. Nice job. That can be the last one. Walk it out. Shake it out. Whew. Keep breathing. Walk in place. Keep going, guys. Beauty of this, we have one other side, so we're gonna work on that here in just a moment. Let's set up for that standing oblique crunch on the right side. Turn your right toes out, the right knee bends, and then here we go. We're gonna pull that elbow towards the knee. Ground through the left foot or the standing foot. You might be working on the other side, that's fine. Slow and in control, right? Feel that engagement in the core. Those oblique muscles are fired up and turned on. We were made to do hard things, right? I love that motto. We're here to challenge our bodies and our minds. Keep going. Almost there with this one. Whew. And two more. Boom. Boom. Nice job. Walk it out. So good. Next will be those standing crunches. Take your feet kind of wide. Fingertips up towards the temples, not pulling or yanking on the neck. And then here we go. We're gonna find that twist, knee drives up. Drive the knee up. Nice job. Nice job. So proud of you. Keep going. Don't stop now, we're well over halfway done. Nice job. Just a couple more here. Finish out the last one. Lock in place. All right. So our final move. Do those knee tucks. We do it on one set on each side. Keep going. Widen your stance. Nice job. Send the hands up towards one corner of your room, either side. Interlace the hands. Pull that elbow, or pull that knee towards your hands. Tap it down. Drive that knee in. Power move here. Maybe even twist the torso here. So find a little rotation in the torso. Yeah. Really challenging that balance today. So proud of you. And of course, you can have a chair or a wall close by. Maybe you skip the hands and just work the knee. That's fine too. Go for it, guys. About two more. Nice job, walk it out. Towel off, grab a little sip of water. 10 seconds here. And we'll do the other side. So take a wide stance, hands towards the opposite corner of the room. Here we go. Drive that knee in. Big torso rotation. Boom. Boom. Nice job. Sweet. We're so close to the end of this workout. I hope you're feeling it. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Definitely subscribe to this channel. Share it with a buddy, a workout buddy if you can. Whew. I think everybody can benefit from moving their body like this. So proud of you too, saying yes to your wellness. Yes to your self-care. Drive it on home, guys. You got it. Boom, nice job. Walk it out. Oh, so good. I'm so proud of you. So that kind of concludes, we're gonna start to cool down a little bit. So that concludes that intense part of the workout. But we never skip the cool down. Start to soften here. Maybe take some shoulder rolls. Breathing in and breathing out. Your pace. You might start to slow the feet down if that feels best. And we'll just reverse those shoulder rolls other way. Keep the spine tall and long here. 3, 2, 1. So good. Take the feet kind of wide, arms come wide. Just keep walking here, and then just big open arms and close. So a little hug here for yourself. Maybe you smile. We tell folks, it's not required, but I encourage you to smile when you feel the urge. 3, 2, 1. Keep the feet wide. Give me some knee lifts. Lift and lift. Take it easy here. Maybe tap opposite hand to opposite knee. So good. Yeah, start to slow the breath down, coming back to homeostasis. So this state of balance in the body and breath. Really proud of you. You stayed around to the end. Really great job today. Saying yes to your health. 3, 2, 1. Bring the feet back together. Walk in place here. And then give me a heel tap. So tap a heel, tap a heel. Might feel a nice stretch in the lower body. So good. If you do have interest in doing workouts like this live with me, we do a walk at home live class each week in my online community. So in Emily's Wellness Academy, it's a 30-minute workout. If you can't make it live, of course, I have the replay for everybody in the community, so all community members. And yeah, it's a great way to meet folks from all over the world and connect through mindful movement. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Go ahead and keep walking here. Let's go into our modified jumping jacks. We'll start with the lower body, a little tap and a little tap. See if you can get a little lower here. Yeah, and then maybe get those arms overhead. Of course, if your room's small like mine, maybe the arms don't reach all the way up, and that's okay. Use what you got, right? That's the beauty of these home walking workouts. You don't need a gym membership or a bunch of fancy equipment. You don't even need like a walking pad, right? I see these little treadmills people have these days. Yeah, you just need yourself, and you need to commit to your health and well-being. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you along the way. And it is a great pleasure and honor to be your guide here. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Walk in place. Long inhales, long exhales. So good. Try this. It's a little out, out, in. Step a foot out, out, in. Once you get a rhythm, maybe you speed it up or actually start to slow it down because we are cooling the body down. So nice job. Be sure to grab that 4-week health and fitness tracker to help you track your wellness and health goals along the way. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Ground your feet here. We're going to finish out with 3 rounds of angel breathing. Just drop the hands to the side. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale to release, your pace, not mine. Inhale up. And exhale. And then one more time, lots of love in. And exhale, lots of love out. Kudos to you, my friend. I am so proud of you for saying yes to your wealth, your health and well-being, and saying yes to this workout. And I hope you are enjoying this. If you want other videos, please check out the videos here on my channel. I have other walking videos as well as mini trampoline videos and yoga workouts. And definitely check out my website, emilydaugherty.com. You can find a bunch of free resources over there. All right, I will see you again in the next video. Take good care.